for a spacewalk is so important. You wouldn't dream of trying to do one without hours of meticulous preparation. And to help us, we've got a pool, a swimming pool. It's about 12 meters deep, and that water gives us neutral buoyancy. It's not the same as weightlessness, but we can float underwater, and it's a bit like being on a spacewalk. Also, we use virtual reality, because if we fall off the space station, which would be a really bad day, we've got a small jetpack. It's called SAFER, and that gives us about 20 seconds worth of nitrogen gas. And using those thrusters, we could hopefully find the space station and fly ourselves back there. It's really difficult to know how to fly a jetpack without training, and so we use the virtual reality environment to practice. The other thing that virtual reality is really good for is helping to practice do the spacewalk before we actually go out the hatch. And so we can look at those translation paths. This is the route that we're going to take. It's a bit like a rock climber studying the rock face that you're about to try and climb. You can practice those handholds and reaches and make sure that it's the best route for getting where you need to work. All of this planning and preparation, it really gives us confidence, and that helps us stay calm under pressure and to know that we are capable of doing the job that we're being asked to do.